Before you lift heavy, warm up is where it starts. Most people skip it, but for me, it's non negotiable. Warming up increases blood flow, preps the joints, and prevents the injury. I don't train cold ever. It's not just about big weights, it's about control. I always loosen up the knee. It's not just about big weights, it's about control. I always loosen up the knees, spin the joints, and connect them mentally to my legs before that start first rep. This is how you last in the game. I have got my own squat philosophy. I don't ego lift. I go deep. I feel every inch. This is real strength, not just numbers. A proper squat build the base, not just a mirror look. This is where the work begins. Deep squat, full range, no half reps, no shortcuts. Every rep is a message to my legs. Grow, adapt, break and rebuild. I hit extensions with purpose, not fast, not reckless. I hold the weight at the top, pause, and squeeze. This builds control, definition, and deep fiber activation. Intensity isn't about shouting, it's about how long you can stay under the weight when your legs want to quit. I don't count reps, I count the fight. Hamstring get no love, but I train them like they are my weak point. Heavy, slow, and high intent. This builds balance and keeps your knees bulletproof. Same lift, different view, every angle exposes something. I make sure nothing's hidden. My goal, strong legs and all slides. Calves are built with consistency. I train them like any other muscle. So, slow reps and full stretch and all the way till failure. Lastly, this was my finisher, legs shaking, lungs heavy. But this is what growth looks like. Not perfect, not pretty, just real work. This is how we finished our workout. It's not just building a body, building a mindset. If you're on the same path, you already belong to the something bigger. Welcome to Ogre. This is just beginning. Thank you.